Hey folks, welcome to a very special vlog, and today we get to talk to somebody from Caltex about what they have going on this month, and we'll also be talking about some basic car maintenance bits, specifically for diesel cars. But first things first, before I invite him in the car, safety first, because in this pandemic times, you can't be too sure. Hi there.
Oh, hi.
Should I wave or are you a fist bumping guy?
Oh, can fist bump also.
Alright, awesome. Nice to meet you, Encik Bakker, was it?
Yes, Bakker.
Encik Bakker, and you are... what is your role in Caltex?
Oh, I'm a technical support specialist for Caltex Lubricants.
I see. And
So-
any particular specialization?
Well, specialize in basically consumer lubricants. So basically that's your engine oils and all the other products that you put inside your car.
Ah, okay. So beyond the fuel that I buy at the pumps.
Yes, that's right.
Okay. And today I just want to talk to you about what we've been talking about via email prior to the shoot, which is basic diesel engine car care.
Okay.
Okay, so I think for most consumers, the basic knowledge about diesel engines and diesel cars is that they run on a very different type of fuel,
That's right.
and the engines are also very different in the sense where there's no spark plug in action.
Yes, that's right.
So with that, right, I think it's clear to see that diesel engines have a very unique set of parameters and also unique set of stresses.
Yeah.
So maybe we can, Cik Bakker, maybe you can share with me what you know about diesel engines and what the consumers should know.
Okay, so basically if you compare the diesel engine and the petrol engine, so the diesel engine has a lot more stress.
Mm-hmm.
It burns diesel fuel, which is harder to burn, so you need to compress the fuel out first to a certain temperature and then before it combusts. And there's also other additional things that you put on the diesel engine, such as turbochargers, which increase the temperature even further. So if you are an engine oil inside diesel engine, you would definitely be under a lot more stress compared to if you are in a petrol engine.
I see. So it's the combination of pressure and heat, yeah?
Yes, that's right.
And it's a lot higher than a regular petrol car like what I'm driving now.
That's true.
Okay. So with that, I'm sure the folks at Caltex have devised a series of interesting products to combat these stresses and make the engines run better and last longer. Am I right?
That's right.
Okay, so maybe you can share a little bit more about that. I think it's called Delo, right?
Yes. So the engine oil products for diesel engine is called Delo.
Mm-hmm.
We have engine oils, of course, but also other products that you also use in your car, such as for your manual gears, for the axles, and also we have specialized products just for light duty diesel engines, such as 4x4s and also SUVs.
I see.
Yeah.
So does light duty also cover passenger car diesels?
Yes, you can also consider it for passenger car diesels.
Okay.
Yeah.
So things like, let's say, a CX-30 Mazda diesel or Isuzu D-Max 1.9.
That's right. Yeah. So those are the kind of models that our Delo Sports products are targeting.
Cool. It's interesting you guys call it Delo Sports.
Yeah, because you want to have that image of 4x4 off-roading or an SUV guy, driving through the city. It has that sporty image to it. So yeah, that's the name.
Okay. All right. I mean, that's cool. So these Delo product lines are diesel specific for as you said, light duty and not wrong for me to say passenger car diesels as well. Yeah?
Yes, you can include passenger car diesels too. Yeah.
Okay, cool. Will these work better in conjunction with Caltex Euro 5 diesel, or is it open to other?
Right. For our lubricants products, so the Delo Sports engine oils, it would work better if you use it in conjunction with Caltex diesel.
Okay.
So because there will be a two-prong approach, one from the fuel side and one from the lubricant side. Just maintains the engine in clean condition, and then make sure it performs at the optimum performance level.
All right. Okay, so apart from engine oil and some of the specialized bits you mentioned earlier, is there anything in particular you like to highlight today?
Oh, okay. Besides the engine oils, so we also have another product which is quite unique for Caltex. So this is a fuel additive treatment that you pour into your diesel tank.
Oh, what is it called?
It's called Techron diesel concentrate, or Techron D concentrate for short.
Okay.
So this one is quite unique because it addresses the requirements for the fuel system instead of the normal engine crankcase components when you talk about engine oils. Because those areas tend to be neglected because the engine oils doesn't reach up to the fuel injector and the combustion chamber, the intake valve, and also the piston crown.
Okay.
So those areas, you need another way to clean it. So hence this product comes into play. So basically how it works is that you mix it with the diesel.
Okay.
And then once it gets sprayed into the combustion chamber, for the first few seconds before it gets burned, it will clean up all the carbon deposits, and it will be burned along with the fuel and goes out through the exhaust.
I see.
Yeah.
So what's it called again? Techron D.
Techron D concentrate. Yeah.
Techron D concentrate. So this is the diesel version of Caltex's
That's right.
Techron Concentrate Plus.
Yes, that's right. Techron Concentrate Plus was developed for petrol engines.
Okay.
So for people using diesel engines, so this is the fuel additive to use.
So same concept, but this one's made for diesels.
Yes, it can withstand that higher temperature as we discussed before in diesel engine, and still carry out the cleaning before it gets burned and remove all the carbon deposits.
Interesting. Okay, so that is actually very interesting because I've never seen something very like that specific for diesels thus far.
That's right.
So my next question is, where can I buy that right now?
Okay, now it is available in Caltex petrol stations. You can get it from authorized Havilland Auto Pro workshops. So that's the brand of the Caltex authorized workshops.
Okay.
And you can also buy it from authorized distributors on Shopee and Lazada.
Oh, through the official Caltex stores, yeah?
Yeah, official Caltex stores, yeah.
All right.
So
but I have to ask, that's a very bright red cap you're wearing. So I'm guessing one of the things you want to talk to me about today is that as well?
Yeah. So we are having a promotion. We call it the Street Borne promotion until 31st of September. Sorry, until the 30th of September.
Okay.
So the promotion is basically to give appreciation to Caltex supporters, and also to package these products, the concentrate fuel treatment products and the engine oils.
Okay.
To give motorists the power to take on the streets, basically. So in line with that, the Caltex came up with innovative packaging plus free products merchandise, such as this hat,
the bright cap,
street inspired products that pairs well with the products itself. So because we having engine oils and fuel treatment for drivers who are driving in the street, so you have products that embody that street spirit as well.
So one of which is the cap lah.
The cap, and then there's also a drawstring bag, a waist bag, if I'm not mistaken, and then a few other accessories.
Okay, and I can only get these if I buy these Caltex products throughout this month.
Yeah, you cannot miss that promotion pack because it looks like a toy box. Basically, it's a cardboard box with the product inside. There's a plastic window where you can see the product, and also it's quite innovative. I mean, I've been in the lubricants line for about 18 years. So this is like some of the coolest things I've seen so far.
All right, that sounds pretty exciting. And just to recap, these special premiums are up for grabs with purchases of selected.
Selected products.
Selected products, yeah.
Concentrates, the fuel additive
Okay.
products, and also the engine oils.
Okay, and only up until end of this month, 30th September. Yeah.
Up until end of this month.
All right, lovely. I would definitely hit up the Caltex official stores online and take a look at it. And I think I'm gonna have to Google on where is the nearest Caltex in my housing area, so just to check it out myself.
yeah, that's good.
All right. In any case, Cik Bakker, thank you for your time and thanks for opening our eyes a little bit more about some essential diesel car care. And I think now if I come across the need to maintain a light duty diesel 4x4 or passenger car, I'm definitely going to have a serious look at the products that you and the team at Caltex have today.
Yes, please try it. Yeah.
I appreciate it.